Celebrating the talents of pointer dogs, a look at pointer dog competitions. Pointing out the best pointer dog competitions. Pointer dogs are known for their exceptional hunting skills and ability to point out game with acute precision. These intelligent and athletic dogs have a rich history, dating back to the 17th century. Over the years, pointer dog competitions have emerged as a way to showcase the incredible abilities of these remarkable animals. These competitions bring together pointer dogs and their skilled handlers in a test of their hunting instincts, obedience, and athleticism. The dog's ability to locate and point game, as well as their obedience to their handlers' commands, is evaluated by a panel of judges. One of the most renowned pointer dog competitions is the National Open Shooting Dog Championship, held in Grand Junction, Tennessee. This prestigious event attracts top pointer dogs from all over the country, competing against one another for the coveted title. The championship consists of several rounds, including field trials and bench shows, to assess the dog's overall abilities. In a field trial, the dogs are evaluated based on their ability to locate game in a real hunting scenario. They are taken to a designated hunting ground where they must demonstrate their keen sense of smell and excellent pointing skills. The judges observe each dog's style, intensity, and precision in pointing out game, as well as their response to commands given by the handlers. The competition also includes bench shows, where dogs are assessed based on their physical attributes, such as conformation, coat quality, and overall appearance. Judges carefully examine each dog, assessing their overall structure and adherence to breed standards. While the National Open Shooting Dog Championship is undoubtedly the pinnacle of pointer dog competitions, there are numerous other competitions held around the world. These events provide the opportunity for pointer dogs and their handlers to showcase their talents and compete against fellow enthusiasts. One such event is the International Pointer Dog Cup, held annually in Europe. This competition brings together pointer dogs from different countries, allowing them to compete against one another in an international setting. The cup consists of field trials, obedience tests, and agility challenges, emphasizing the versatility and adaptability of these remarkable dogs. Another notable competition is the Westminster Kennel Club Dog Show, held in New York City. While not exclusively for pointer dogs, this show attracts some of the finest specimens from each breed, including pointers. Dogs are judged based on their conformation, temperament, and overall appearance, highlighting the breed's desirable qualities. Participating in pointer dog competitions requires extensive training and preparation for both dogs and their handlers. Handlers must build a strong bond with their dogs and train them rigorously to develop their hunting instincts and refine their obedience skills. Regular exercise, mental stimulation, and exposure to various environments are crucial in preparing the dogs for the challenges they will face during competitions. These competitions also serve as a platform for breeders to showcase their breeding programs and for potential buyers to observe exceptional pointer dogs in action. Winning a competition can significantly enhance a dog's reputation and increase its value, making it an attractive prospect for breeding or hunting purposes. Pointer dog competitions not only celebrate the remarkable abilities of these dogs but also promote responsible breeding and training practices. Breeders and handlers strive to produce healthy, well-rounded dogs that excel in the field and demonstrate good temperaments. In conclusion, pointer dog competitions provide a unique opportunity to witness the exceptional talents of these remarkable dogs. From their acute pointing abilities to their unwavering obedience, pointer dogs continue to impress and inspire. These competitions not only celebrate their skills but also promote responsible breeding and training practices, ensuring the preservation and advancement of the breed for generations to come.